Arsenal prepare 80 million move for Rafael Leão ahead of the summer transfer window. The Gunners have tracked the Portuguese star for years, and Mikel Arteta's team now accelerates their chase ahead of the 2026 window. Leão, age 26, has impressed this season with 11 goals and assists in 20 appearances across all competitions. He joined Milan from Lille in 2019 for 29.5 million and quickly became a key player, helping them win the Serie A title in 2022. His speed, dribbling, and creativity make him a standout left winger, often compared to a young Cristiano Ronaldo for his flair and direct style. Arsenal see him as an upgrade in attack. By summer, Leão's contract at San Siro will run until 2028, leaving just 2 years.